Okay guys, Bitcoin reserve is going up, Bitcoin reserve is going up again, and our Maximus Tools are calling you, Colorbot is calling you at this moment, and in this moment last night. It was directly correlated with Bitcoin increased of reserve on spot exchanges, and also before, of course, as I said yesterday, there was outflow of stablecoins on spot exchanges. So also long-term holders are in profit right now, so there's also a big pressure to sell, and there is right now, they are selling, and as you can see, the price went down. Tokens transfer total, nothing special here, the price went down. If you heard what I said yesterday, you probably secure your cryptocurrencies to stablecoins to and maybe even altcoins to Bitcoin, but right now you are probably in profit. This is Maximus Tools, and nothing here is a financial advice. Yesterday I told you about S&P 500, that S&P 500 has a correction, and yes, we are in that correction still. We are still in this correction, so we are still waiting. Probably maybe Bitcoin will fall even more. Right, again, even more. Also some signal to buy. After that, some signal to sell. You have to understand that this and this are not correlated. So if you see signal to buy and then signal to sell, so basically it's better to sell then. Next piece of news, let's take a look at details about fundamental. Biden 2 trillion plan to rebuild infrastructure. The president selling his proposal on Wednesday, saying it would something with this. Okay, Google AR. Okay, Turkey and Salvador, some agreements. That's why the price of Bitcoin went up at one point, and then of course, Fed released a long-awaited study on a digital currency, digital dollar, but doesn't take a position yet on creating one. Yeah, it's also last information from last night. Russia proposes a ban on US mining of cryptocurrencies. So also bearish news, bearish info. SundeSwap launches on Cardano. I told you about this. Users report failing transactions. Yes, the first DEX on Cardano launched on the mainnet today to allow traders to perform swap and liquidity, but network congestion has slowed transaction processing. Yes, Cardano is not ready for this kind of transactions increase. So yeah, that's why the price also may fail next days. And the hedge fund manager who's James Lowish is saying about, telling us about the crypto. At the 42k per coin, BTC market value is 900 billion, or it's 0.13% of global assets. So if the global assets will be worth, I will tell you. Okay, right like this. So the global assets, bonds, 137 trillion, stocks, 117 trillion, etc. Real estates, alt and collectibles, gold, etc. So total more than 700 trillion. Yeah. So he calculated it like this. If as individuals and asset managers learn about gain comfort in Bitcoin, this number grows. So if it will be 1%, so it will be about 7 trillion, Bitcoin will cost more than 300k, 2% more than 600k, and 3% more than $1 million per one Bitcoin. What else? On max data, Plan B is asking what will trigger the next leg up for Bitcoin? US spot ETF, next El Salvador, Lightning or Taproot? So what is your opinion? Tell us what is your opinion. And look how Bitcoin behaved last day and how Nasdaq behaving. So similar, pretty similar. It's also tech industry. Plan B was also saying about inflation. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's everything for now. Thanks, and have a great day during a correction. Cheers.